Wikipedia stands as a collaborative online encyclopedia, offering free content in multiple languages across diverse subjects such as history, science, technology, arts, and more. It draws an average of 10 billion page views monthly, making it a goldmine for potential video content creation. Today, I'll demonstrate a straightforward method to craft videos using Wikipedia content. Let's get started. Step 1 involves choosing a niche. I will use Google Bard to select our niche. Using Google Bard, search for the most popular niches on Wikipedia. Here is the list. You can choose any topics from this list. I am selecting the geography niche today. Next, inquire with Google Bard for the most viewed geography articles on Wikipedia. This data helps identify already popular topics. For instance, let's say I select pyramids. Upon choosing your topic, head over to Wikipedia and search for it. In the article, you'll discover comprehensive details about the subject. This wealth of information could form the basis for an engaging video, but before that, we need to refine it. Copy the article link and return to Google Bard. Ask Bard AI to rewrite the article in a concise format, say, under 500 words, for tutorial purposes. Once Bard has analyzed and rewritten the content, you'll get an impressive shortened version. If needed, you can regenerate it for a better fit. So it's our script. Now we will make our video using Canva. For creating our videos, we will be using Canva. This is our Canva dashboard. From the bottom left, select Apps. Now, search for Avatar by Nero AI. Select it. Click on Use in New Design. Then, select Video. Here is our avatar list. You can choose any avatar from this list. Also, select your voiceover artist. Copy and paste your content here. Remember, the maximum character limit at a time is 250. Now, choose Voices and click Create Your Videos. Within a minute, your video will be ready. Resize it according to your video dimensions. Create another page. Copy and paste the second part of your script. Then, select Create Your Video. The second part of your video is now ready. Resize it accordingly. Follow this process for the rest of your script. After completing it, go to the first video. Click on it. We will remove its background. From Edit Video, select Background Remover. Your video background will be removed within a minute. Follow this process to remove the background from all of your videos. After removing all the backgrounds, select the first video. Place the avatar on the left. Now, from Elements, search for Studio. We will use a studio image as a background. I am selecting this one. Fit it within the frame. Now, click the right button, select Glare, then choose Send Backward. From Elements, add a photo frame. Place it on the right. Add a pyramid video from Elements. Drag the video over the frame, it will fit into the frame. For the second one, I will use a video as a background. This portion of our video is on the Nile River. Add a Nile River video from Elements. Send it back from Layers. For the third part, I want to use a pyramid video as a background. Select one from Elements and adjust it with the frame. Add another photo frame. Now, bring in a pyramid video from Elements and drag it over the frame. Add videos and images according to your script. That's it. Follow this process for the rest of your video. Now, download it.
In towering pyramids lies a civilization that continues to captivate us. At the heart of ancient Egypt lay the divine pharaoh, believed to be a living god. Elaborate rituals and ceremonies appeased the pantheon of deities, from the sun god Ra to the jackal-headed god of the afterlife, Anubis. At the heart of ancient Egypt lay, along Egypt's fertile Nile Valley nurtured one of the earliest civilizations, flourishing around 3100 BCE. Unified under the powerful pharaohs, the Egyptians carved out a kingdom unlike any other.
You can generate hundreds of scripts using Wikipedia and Google Bard. Then, within 20 minutes, you can generate a quality video using Canva. If you like this idea, you can work on it.